Jumbo everybody, in today's video I have a Young Living essential oils unboxing for you. I actually have the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. So I'm going to show you guys what is all included in it and how to use it once you get one for yourself. This kit is $165. It is the best value on the planet because it has 12 oils, an essential oil diffuser, couple of samples, a discount on anything you want to order in the future. It is literally an oil for everything that happens in your home, regardless of the age of your household members or if they happen to have fur, and it is an incredible collection, an oil for everything. So here's what's included in the box. You just pull the sleeve off, open it up. So on the side here is actually information that can help you. So there's two things that are included. The first thing is just at a glance how to use the essential oils if you forget, just some suggested uses here. Then this pamphlet here actually talks about Young Living, the history of it, and the foundation, all of the charity work that they do, the Seed the Seal, so how the essential oils are the best in the world, essential rewards, all sorts of things. So this is a good little booklet to look through as well. So then here are the 10 essential oils on the top. We've got Peppermint Vitality, Lemon Vitality, Thieves Vitality, Citrus Fresh Vitality, Digest Vitality, Raven, Valor, Panaway, Lavender, and Frankincense. Then we pull this little trap door out here. We have two more oils. We have Stress Away and we have Peace and Calming. You'll also see a little roller topper, so you can pop this onto any of your essential oils to make it into a roller bottle. 2 packets of the Ningxia Red Nutrition Supplement. We also have a packet of the Thieves Household Cleaner, which is enough cleaner to make a completed full-size cleaner, about 30 ounces, somewhere in there. And then also a Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. In addition to that, you'll also get an essential oil diffuser. This particular one is the Desert Mist diffuser. It's my absolute favorite because it's beautiful. So I love this one, but your diffuser may look a little different depending on which one you chose to get with your starter kit. And then you also have the product guide and you have Essential Oils magazine. So if you have your premium starter kit with you, let's unbox it together. If you don't, this is what you'll want to do once you get yours. So the first thing that you want to do is to dig into the bottom of the box and grab those Ningxia Red packets. Once you have those, take them into your refrigerator, pop them in the fridge, and then give them a try tomorrow afternoon for like an afternoon pick-me-up. You could even pop these in the freezer if you wanted to make little freezy pops for your kids or for yourself. Whatever you want to do. So I love doing that. I like keeping them cold. That's how I like to drink them. And then let's go ahead and get the diffuser set up. So you'll want to get your diffuser out, and then you'll also want to get this box out here too. So this box has the power cord in there. So you want to grab that. So then you want to just find the little hole that's on the bottom to plug the cord into. And then you want to fill this up. So a little trick I like to use, I actually like to take the top part of the diffuser, put my finger over the hole so it's like a funnel, and then fill the water into here up until the edge rim line here. That's as much water as you'll need to go in your diffuser. So then I just hold the funnel with the water over the diffuser and let my finger go, and then it just fills the diffuser right up, just like that. So now we need to pick some oil to put in there, so I'm actually going to use Peace and Calming, which is in the bottom of the box. Just a few drops. I start with 2 or 3. Look at that color. The color's beautiful. And then I just put the little funnel on top. You just keep turning it until it doesn't turn anymore. Then put the cover on. And then this actually has a few different buttons on the side. So one's a power button and one is a light mode button. So the one with the circle is the power, so you want to turn that one on first. And then you can change the output. So if you just turn it on once, that's on high, and that'll run 5 hours. Hit it again, low is 8 hours. Hit it again, intermittent is 10 hours, and then you hit it one more time and that turns it off. So I'm going to run mine on high, and then the button on the right hand side changes the light mode. So if you don't touch anything, it'll just be on white. Then you have a soft white. Then you have a candlelight flicker, which is probably where I'm going to keep it. And then this will cycle through the different colors that are available. So we have the red color, orange, yellow, green, a light blue, a dark blue, a purple, and then hit it one more time, and then that's an off, so then you can run it in the bedroom at night or whatever. So I'm just going to put mine on the candle flicker mode, And our diffuser's ready to go. Let's dig into the oils. So I'm going to pull the tray completely out of the box. And if you turn it over, there's a little Velcro part on the back side. So you can actually attach the Velcro together. And I recommend everybody do this when you get this. So this ends up sitting upright on a table. So when you have your oils in a box tucked away somewhere, they end up being out of sight, out of mind. They don't end up becoming part of your routine to reach for first when something is going on. So having the oils out of the box is incredibly important. And this is a really easy way to do this until you end up getting an essential oil shelf like the one I have behind me or whatever. So, okay, so let's go over the oils and what you can do with each of them. Just 1 or 2 uses. If I give you all the uses, we'll be sitting here for like 3 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on the bottom. So I'm going to start with Raven. Raven here is a great oil for all things lungs and breathing. So I like to take Raven in a little splotch of coconut oil or a little dollop of olive oil. Rub it on the chest and on the throat as a chest rub. Amazing help and support for breathing. This is also great in the diffuser to run at night as well if you need a little bit of breathing support overnight. This will remind you of those chest rubs that you may have experienced as a child without the petroleum and yuck in it. The next one is Valor. I love Valor. Valor is my courage oil and it smells amazing. So what I like to do with Valor, pop it out of the tray, and then I like to just put a dollop or 2 on my wrist. Can you see that color? It's like a blue kind of color. It's so wonderful. This is my courage in a bottle. Anytime I'm having a time where I need some courage, I need a little bit of strength, if I'm doing something scary, I put Valor on myself. I actually use it with my music students too. I have it in a little roller bottle. So if they're going to like a music competition or something, they stick out their arm, roll on some Valor, and they are good to go. The next one is Pan Away. Pan Away is great for any muscle or joint discomfort you may be experiencing. Maybe you exercised or you've been on your feet all day. It's wonderful to incorporate in with a like olive oil or any kind of coconut oil as a massage to massage into your legs after leg day, or if you've been on your feet all day. I love Pan Away. This is a great one to put the little roller topper that comes in the box on. So you can just roll it on any area that needs a little bit of support. Lavender is great to help you relax before bed. So this is actually great for little ones as well. You can put some lavender in the diffuser or put some on your hand and pat it on your pillow, pat it on your jammies. Mix it with a little bit of coconut oil for foot massage for little feet before winding down before bed. It's just a great oil. And lavender alone has over 1,000 documented uses, so you can do a lot of research on how you can use lavender outside of just relaxing. Frankincense is my Benjamin Button oil, so I will wash my face in the evening or I'll refresh my face in the morning and put 1 drop of frankincense directly on my face. If I have a little bit of wintertime skin that needs a little bit of moisturization, I will put a little bit of frankincense in some rosehip seed oil, or I'll do just even coconut oil works fine on my skin, and then use that as kind of like a moisturizer. But frankincense historically was used for preservation and embalming by the Egyptians, so it's really good. It's crow's feet, smile lines, occasional skin discoloration and acne, that kind of stuff. Love using frankincense for that. Okay, so let's go with the other ones that are in the bottom of the box, as we're sticking with our colored package oils. So in the bottom of the box, we have Stress Away. This is amazing for all times of stress. So before you go into the supermarket with a gaggle of children, or if you're going traveling, any type of situation that could be a little bit stressful, maybe you're a little on edge or nervous about something, the Stress Away is so good for that. The oils in here smell like vacation. Lime, vanilla, copaiba, lavender, so good for helping you to relax in any type of stressful situation. And Peace and Calming is wonderful for emotions, for our kids, and for ourselves. Anytime we need to take a little bit of a rest and a step back from anything that's going on that causes our emotions to get a little bit frazzled, Peace and Calming is amazing for that. I have this going in the diffuser right now. I love to diffuse this at bedtime to help wind down after a stressful day. But Peace and Calming is so good because of the oils that are in there for anything big and small emotions. Trust me when I say that's another one that's a really good one to put the roller topper onto and then just roll it on to whoever, whenever. All right, let's talk about the ones along the top. And again, this is just scratching the surface, not even go, like if I were to talk about how I use these oils, we would be sitting here for a very long time. And I do have essential oil classes. If you're interested in learning more, you can just shoot me an email, anysimplelife@gmail.com, and I'll get a class to you so you can learn a little bit more about how to use these. So the oils along the top, they have their chef's jackets on. So these are the oils that are labeled for internal use. These ones along the bottom and in the bottom of the box are labeled for topical and aromatic use. Quality of the oil is identical. It's the exact same. So all of these oils actually have colored package labels as well. It's the same oil inside the bottle, okay? All right, so the first one is peppermint, wonderful for digestion. You could put a drop in some warm water for a peppermint tea. It's just really, really soothing for your digestive tract. Also great to add to your water in a glass or a stainless steel container to help with energy and an afternoon pick-me-up. So lemon is a great one for all things flushing. So in the morning, you could put a drop in water, drink it down to help flush your system out. It's kind of like, you know, squeezing lemon into water. We always hear about warm lemon water. This is great because it's actually from the rind of the lemon, not the juice of the lemon, so it's not acidic, it won't hurt your teeth. So that's just something to also keep in mind too. Lemon actually is a great oil to get sticky off of things. So if you have a price tag on some, like a glass or something that won't come off, if you put a drop of lemon on there, that will help get the sticky off of glasses. So just something else to kind of keep in mind. Thieves is my immune system powerhouse. I love using Thieves to help keep my immune system strong at all times of year, especially in the winter, but you know, during the fall, spring, all times. So with Thieves Vitality, I like to take a drop and I'll put it on some raw honey and swallow that down, or I'll just take a drop directly in my mouth 1 to 2 times a day if I'm going out in public. This is a great one. I also like to put a drop on the bottom of my feet, Thieves on my feet, anytime I'm traveling or even going to the grocery store. It's a really good immune system oil. So Citrus Fresh Vitality is actually really good for helping with your weight management goals. So the citrus oils in here are really good for metabolism, and they have antioxidant properties and all those things. It helps you encourage like to drink more water as well. Like I don't drink enough water during the day, but when I put Citrus Fresh in there, it helps me just drink because it tastes so good. So 1 drop is all you need. You don't need any more than that, and it tastes delicious. I love it. And actually, superficially, I like to put Citrus Fresh and Stress Away as a combo in my diffuser, and it smells like heaven. It is so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay, so then the last one is Digize. This is Digize Vitality, so you could take a drop in your mouth before or after a meal if you need help in, maybe it's a, you know, there are ingredients in there that your body definitely needs a little extra digestive support to digest. Digize Vitality is great for that. It's wonderful for your digestion from top to bottom, okay? So this is a really good companion to take traveling, especially if you're eating meals that you're not used to having, or if your digestion tends to like slow down a little bit when you travel. Digize can be a super duper duper helper supporter for all things digestion, and especially if you have little kids. Diluted Digize on the tummy, you'll be happy you have it. All right, so with the Thieves Household Cleaner packet, what you're going to want to do with this is to get a spray bottle that's about, I don't know, maybe 28 to 30 some ounces, and then fill the little packet into that bottle, fill the rest with water, and it will clean your house from top to bottom, from your toilets to your windows and mirrors, counters, everything. Plant-based, has the Thieves oil in it, right? So you're supporting your immune system and not taxing your liver, and it's just a great, safe, no yuck cleaner that anybody in the family can use to help you clean regardless of how old they are, and it's safe around kids and pets, and it's incredibly effective as well. I love it. I use it for everything. It's literally the only cleaner I have in my house right now. And then the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. I love this. I actually have a carrier that I got from Disney World that I hang off of my purse, so I have this at all times when I am out and about touching doorknobs, gas handles, shopping carts, all the things. There's no yuck in it. It's plant-based, and you just put a little bit in your hands, rub your hands together, and it smells amazing. Like peppermint, it smells so good. So I love this. This is a staple in my purse anywhere I go. So if you were just curious about what comes in the Young Living Premium Starter Kit and you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, I do have a link below where you can grab yours. Or if you're interested in learning more about essential oils, shoot me an email, anniesimplelife@gmail.com, and I will send an essential oil video right out to you. When you grab your starter kit, you're also going to be included in our Facebook community. We have a Facebook group so you can learn how to use your essential oils. We also have a Facebook group if you're interested in the business side of Young Living. So just know when you grab your starter kit, you never ever have to do the business. But if you wanted to share about Young Living, if you're like me and have seen incredible health benefits by using these essential oils and cannot keep your mouth shut about them, there is a business side and we can help support you with whatever you want to do. Also know when you grab your starter kit, you do not have any other obligations. If you want to keep your membership active, which the membership's the 24% discount on anything you get in the future, all you have to do is place a $50 order once in a calendar year worth of products, and that will keep your discount active. You also have the option of participating in what's called Essential Rewards. If you watch my channel, you've seen me do Essential Rewards unboxings. And it's basically a way for Young Living to replace your toxic yuck-filled products with no yuck, healthy for the entire family options. So this, I love it. It's a monthly box that I pick the products that I want to receive at my door, so I don't have to get them from the grocery store and not have any idea what I'm actually getting when I buy them there. When I get them from Young Living, I know that I can trust these products and they are the highest quality available. And Essential Rewards pays me back when I do that. I get points back that I can use towards free products, and so it's a wonderful program that's also an option for members once you grab your starter kit. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful for you today. Thank you so much for joining me in my essential oil unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, or you can shoot me the email, and I'd be happy to answer anything that I can. If you haven't already and you'd like to hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy oiling. See you all tomorrow.